Hey guys, today it's time to make some shepherd's pie. Let's get right into it. We're gonna want to boil some water and make it really salty. Now into that ocean water, throw in some chopped potatoes. Peeling them is completely optional and fully depends on how lazy my girlfriend is feeling on any given day. Okay, while that's going on, we're gonna want to get ourselves a pot and make sure there's a good amount of oil in it. Then, throw in some diced onions, minced garlic, and carrots. Here the carrots are sliced, but if you really want to go the extra mile, then you're gonna grate the carrots for a better texture in the final product. In the words of Chef John, do as I say, not as I do. Now, give it a good old mixy mix. While that's doing its thing, when the potatoes have reached fork tender softness, it's time to assemble the mashed potatoes. I use 2/3 cup of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of olive butter, then season to taste. Use what you have in the house to mix. Personally, I used a hand mixer, but mashing with a fork works just as well. Now, back to the filling. Toss in any herbs and spices your little heart desires. We added thyme, sage, rosemary, smoked paprika, and a touch of cayenne. This gives it a really good herby and spicy taste, and the smokiness of the paprika really gives it a little extra oomph. Now for the quote-unquote meat of the dish. 300 grams of soaked brown lentils. These had been soaking for about 3 hours before we started, so make sure you did that about 3 hours ago. Now, realize your pot is too small and do the changeover of shame. This step is crucial. Then, add 3 tablespoons of your thickening agent. Tapioca powder or cornstarch is our go-to. Now, cook it off for about 2 minutes, and this will get rid of any of that floury taste. Then, add 1 can of diced tomatoes, and give it a quick mix. Then season with some soy sauce and beef stock. Here I just added water and some bouillon cubes. Now you can easily use veg stock or mushroom stock. We use faux beef stock. Let it sit for about 15 minutes and season to taste. Time to assemble. Place a filling in a large enough container. Then put your mashed potatoes on top and use a fork to scratch and scrape that surface to create some texture. This will make some good old crispy bits. Place in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake for 45 minutes. And voila! Our shepherd's pie is ready to go.